Today's topic is steamy, and I do mean showers or bath. Which do you prefer?
Oh, wow, you're a mom.
I'm such a mom. I'm such a mom, I could be a dad with that kind of joke.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a pretty sad
say,
joke.
I'm, as a mom, I thrive on my bubble bath time when everyone's asleep.
Your bubble bath time. Yeah, that sounds like
Because it usually means wine time, too.
I think it's disgusting. You're just like laying in your filth, you know, and you know.
You're soaking and de-stressing. You can put like
it's
Epsom
so...
salts and aromatherapy and do
You
like
can't perfume
mud
that
mask.
stuff. You're still living. You're still literally just
You can
soaking
rinse
in
off
your...
afterwards, especially if you did a salt bath.
Yeah,
You
but
gotta
then that's a
rinse off
shower,
after.
and that's what I'm for. I'm all about showers.
I'm not
cleanly.
against showers. I just
So
prefer
you want to put it on the
baths.
record that you do shower.
I do
but
shower.
You're saying it's good to bathe.
Good to bathe in general. Method of bathing is...
No, but seriously, I think showers are more convenient. They're faster. Who has time to lay in a tub?
Exactly. You make the time for it. It's
And
called
how do you
self-care.
wash your hair? How do you wash your hair? What do you do?
You can do it over a sink. You can do it in the tub, under the faucet. You can totally do it.
We're gonna go home and you're gonna show me how you wash your hair under the faucet. You can't do that.
Yes, you can.
have to
You're
film
not
yourself
a girl,
in 3.
obviously. Every girl at one point or another has washed her hair under a faucet. That's just what
Under
it
the
is.
bathtub faucet?
Yes, I've done
When
that.
you were 3, this is the thing. What happens is if you're washing your hair, you put some shampoo, some conditioner in your hair, you're like, oh, feeling good about yourself. All of a sudden, it all goes in your bath water and you get dry skin. You know what? And sometimes people die of broken hearts because of dry skin.
Okay, well, guys, tell us what you think about this. Hit us up at Mark and Mandy Show. Now, Mark and I like to get into a little bit of trouble, see what kind of fun we had today.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.